We'll guide you through how to compare Hostinger versus Namecheap to find the best hosting provider for your needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the official websites of Hostinger and Namecheap on your desktop to explore their hosting options. On Hostinger's site, navigate to the Hosting tab, where you'll find options like shared, cloud, and VPS hosting. Take note of the pricing, which often includes introductory discounts, and check the renewal rates to understand long-term costs. Then, go to Namecheap's hosting section and do the same. Compare the types of hosting they offer, and look for their unique selling points, such as free domain registration or SSL certificates. Both providers offer a wide range of features, so it's essential to compare them side by side. Look at the uptime guarantees, because reliable service is crucial for keeping your website accessible. Hostinger typically boasts a 99.9% uptime guarantee, while Namecheap is known for its user-friendly interface and straightforward pricing. Another factor to consider is customer support. Hostinger offers 24/7 live chat support, which is great for immediate assistance, whereas Namecheap provides a comprehensive knowledge base, and you can submit tickets for more detailed inquiries. Check the performance reviews and speed tests available online, since fast loading times can impact user experience and SEO rankings. Remember to consider any extra features like website builders, backups, and security options, which can add value to your chosen plan. Finally, look for user reviews and testimonials to get real-world insights into their service quality and customer satisfaction. By carefully evaluating these aspects, you can make an informed decision on which hosting provider best suits your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.